So I had told you that what are NP problem, what are P problem, what are NP hard, NP complete, and what is the relationship between all these, okay? And I had told you about the satisfiability problem also. Like for this problem, satisfiability problem, what is given to you? You have been given a Boolean expression. We need to find out that for given values of these variables, can this expression be true? So this is your what? This is your decision problem. And if we will write down the deterministic algorithm for that, okay, this is the deterministic algorithm. We can't have the polynomial time complexity. It will be having the non-polynomial or the exponential time complexity. Here it is written. But if I can write down the non-deterministic algorithm, then this algorithm will be having what? It will be having the polynomial time complexity. So the first thing is that SAT is NP. Okay, here I have written SAT is in NP. Why it is in NP? Because whenever I'm saying any problem is in NP, that means you can write one. N stands for non-deterministic algorithm that can be run in polynomial time. P stands for polynomial. ओके तो ये बहुत जरूरी है कि जब भी हम कोई प्रॉब्लम लेंगे हमें उसे शो करना पड़ेगा कि वो एनपी प्रॉब्लम है. एनपी का क्या मीनिंग है? अगेन आई एम सेइंग if I'm able to write down some non-deterministic algorithm that can be run in polynomial time, then that problem would be NP problem. तो अभी मैंने एक non-deterministic algorithm लिख दिया और मैंने कल आपको ये भी बताया था कि इसकी complexity क्या है? Polynomial है. Fine. So that means SAT problem क्या हो गई? NP problem हो गई. Okay. So this thing I have these like slides I have already picked from the previous slides only. So all these things I have already taken. What are NP hard and NP complete problem, and this also. Okay. And this relationship also I have told you. Okay. Now this thing is very important because all your other topics that is based on this one. Okay. अगर आपको ये समझ लग जाएगी कि मैं आज क्या करवा रही हूँ, then you can do anything. Whenever any problem is coming that show that it is NP hard or NP complete, first thing is obviously you should know that what is that problem. But how to show that it is NP complete or NP hard? For that, today I'm going to do this thing. These 3 points are very important. Okay. Now, mostly in your syllabus, it is written that there are some problems that are NP problems. Now, we have to show, sometime question would be show that traveling salesman problem is NP hard or NP complete. Then question can be show that there is one problem called vertex cover या Hamiltonian cycle. Show करो कि वो क्या है, NP complete or NP hard है. Now, whenever you have to show that any problem is NP hard or NP complete, you need to remember these 3 points. Okay, so these 3 points are very important. Again, I'm stressing on this. These are very important. 1 minute. So what are those 3 points? First thing is that whenever I'm saying, okay, to show that any problem PI is NP hard or NP complete, what you have to show? First, I'm taking NP complete. First, आपको show करना पड़ेगा कि ये क्या है, decision problem है. Okay, so if you are able to give the statement in terms of this, that answer is your yes or no, then that would be a decision problem. So there won't be any problem. Whenever I'm taking any problem, I will tell you that why this is a decision problem. Okay, so this is the first thing that we have to prove. Even in exam, if this question is coming, you need to write down these 3 points by underlining those. That first you will say it is a decision problem. Second point. Second point is that you have to show that this problem is NP problem. Because I had told you while doing NP complete, वहां पर NP complete का जब आपने definition की थी उसमें first thing थी कि वो क्या होनी चाहिए, एक decision problem. Second थी वो NP भी होनी चाहिए. But अगर आपको क्वेश्चन आ जाए कि वो NP hard है कि नहीं, in that case you don't need to write down the second point. Okay, but if you have to show NP complete, you have to show it is in NP. Now, how can you show that it is in NP? NP means if I'm able to write down one non-deterministic algorithm that can be run in polynomial time, then you can show that problem is in NP. So that won't be like any difficult task. It is an easy task. That is okay. Now the third point. So this is the main point actually. Whenever you have to show any problem is NP hard or NP complete, जैसे मैंने क्या show करना है अभी कि PI क्या है? PI is NP complete problem. So that means I will have to show that इससे पहले जितनी भी हमें NP problems पता है, I can reduce those to PI in polynomial time. In polynomial time. That means all the problems that are in NP. Now, what are the problems in NP? I will tell you. 01 knapsack है, vortex cover है, Hamiltonian cycle है, traveling salesman है, circuit sat. Okay, ये सारे नाम अभी आएंगे. CNF sat है. तो ये सारी NP problems हैं. तो जितनी भी आपकी एनपी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, अगर आप उनको रिड्यूस कर दो पीआई में, दैट मींस उनके सॉल्यूशन को यूज करके अगर आपको पीआई का सॉल्यूशन मिल जाए, तो यू कैन से दैट पीआई इज व्हाट? एनपी कंप्लीट प्रॉब्लम. Okay, how to do this thing that I'll tell you later on. So here I have written, then show that PI is NP hard, or here you can write down NP complete, by showing that every problem Pj in NP, this is Pj suppose, every problem Pj that belongs to NP is polynomial time reducible to Pi. Okay? तो ये हमें शो करना है जब भी आपको ये क्वेश्चन आ जाए कि शो दैट दिस प्रॉब्लम इज एनपी कंप्लीट और एनपी हार्ड. Now these two steps are very easy to show. That is not a problem that even you can do right now. Okay, but this how to show that every problem in NP is reducible to PI, that is a difficult task. Okay, but हमें हर एक problem लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. That I will tell you how to do this thing. First tell me any doubt in this. Again I am saying this topic is little bit different, but if you will come to know that what is this, you can solve each and everything. आपको NP का कोई भी क्वेश्चन आ जाए, आपको डिफिकल्ट नहीं होगा लिखना. But this slide was very important one. Any doubt in this? Yes, beta. I'm waiting. So what I was telling you that this to show that this, okay, beta, fine. फाइन. थर्ड जो है प्रॉब्लम, उसको शो करना कि लाइक एनी प्रॉब्लम इज एनपी हार्ड और एनपी कंप्लीट, यू नीड टू टेक एवरी प्रॉब्लम दैट इज एनपी एंड वी नीड टू रिड्यूस दैट टू पीआई. सो दिस इज अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क. हाउ टू डू दिस थिंग नाउ? ओके, फर्स्ट सपोज I'm taking now SAT problem because you already know that what is a SAT problem. Okay, I have to show that a SAT is NP complete. SAT is NP complete. If it is coming NP hard, only this second thing you don't need to take, otherwise all other things. Okay, first I need to show that SAT is a decision problem. Okay, now tell me, is it a decision problem? Yes, Palvi, is it a decision problem? Repeating, if you have to show SAT is NP complete, first you will show it is a decision problem, then it is in NP, then by Cook-Levin theorem you can say that every problem in NP is reducible to SAT, so you can say that this NP is NP complete problem. But SAT के लिए okay है कि you have Cook-Levin theorem. But अगर मैंने आपको कोई और problem को show करना हो कि वो NP complete है कि नहीं है, then how we will go? That is very important. First thing, again, the first point is same. We have to show that PI is a decision problem. So I can show that that is not a problem. Second point is I will have to show that it is NP. That means even I can write down one non-deterministic algorithm जिससे मुझे पता चल जाएगा this is in NP. But then I have to show that every problem in NP is polynomial time reducible to PI. So this is a difficult task. Okay, every problem, suppose यहाँ मैंने लिखा है every problem in NP. How to show that now? Fine. Now suppose अभी हमने SAT problem में क्या show किया था? That every problem in NP is polynomial time reducible to what? SAT. and this is given by what? This is given by Cook-Levin theorem. Cook-Levin theorem से हमें ये पता चल गया. But अगर अभी मैं ये शो कर दूं कि SAT को मैं PI में reduce कर दूं, suppose मैं एक SAT problem ले लूं, and if I'm able to reduce that to PI in polynomial time, तो मैं अब indirectly I can say, suppose this is reducible to this is reducible to this. So if I'm not taking this one, suppose isko hum indirectly, now I can say that every problem in NP is what? It is polynomial time reducible to PI. Is it clear what I want to say? That in order to show the third point, ये मैंने show करना था कि every problem in NP is polynomial time reducible to PI. तो मैंने क्या किया? Already मुझे पता है कि NP, every problem in NP is polynomial time reducible to SAT by using the Cook-Levin theorem. But अभी मैं क्या करूंगी? अभी मैं एक SAT problem ले लूंगी और उसको मैं PI में reduce कर देती हूँ. मुझे ये प्रूव करना है कि ऑलरेडी एक प्रॉब्लम जो NP कंप्लीट है उसको मैंने रिड्यूस कर दिया PI में. जरूरी नहीं SAT, सपोज कोई और प्रॉब्लम है जो ऑलरेडी आप प्रूव कर चुके हो कि दिस इज NP कंप्लीट, तो अगर मैं उस NP कंप्लीट को PI में रिड्यूस कर दूं तो इनडायरेक्टली यू कैन से दैट एवरी प्रॉब्लम इन NP इज पॉलिनोमियल टाइम रिड्यूसिबल टू PI. तो इससे आपका थर्ड पॉइंट भी प्रूव हो गया. So first is done, second is done, and the third is done. तो हर एक प्रॉब्लम के लिए मुझे ये वाले स्टेप्स यूज करने हैं. First tell me, is it clear what I want to say? This was very important thing. Is it okay? So what I was telling, now is it okay? Yes, Karan, am I audible?
हाँ जी मैम.
Okay. तो यहाँ पर मैंने सब लिखा हुआ है. In order to show that circuit SAT is NP complete, first you need to show it is a decision problem. Then you need to show it is NP problem. For NP, you can write down the same algorithm that we had done previously. 1 minute. That we had done previously. Okay. Next, in order to show that it is NP complete problem, the third point was we need to show that every problem in NP is reducible to what? Circuit SAT. So this was given by Cook-Levin theorem. Okay. So जो मैंने Cook-Levin theorem पहले SAT के लिए कहा, actually that was circuit SAT. Previously मैंने circuit SAT word use नहीं किया कि आप confused ना हो जाओ. So this is actually the circuit SAT problem. Okay, so you can show see that circuit SAT is NP complete problem. Fine. So if it won't come like, but the question can come that what is Cook-Levin theorem? We won't be doing any proof of that, but in that proof you can write down that if any problem in NP is polynomial time reducible to circuit SAT, it was given by the Cook-Levin theorem. So this way you can show that circuit SAT is your NP complete problem. ठीक है. अब इसके बाद बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जिसको आपको शो करना है कि वो NP कंप्लीट है. लाइक फर्स्ट मैं लूंगी CNF SAT, फिर आएगी 3 SAT, वर्टेक्स कवर, TSP, set cover problem is there. There are many problems like this that we have to show. I will show you one minute. Just wait for a minute. I'll show you one graph. I think it must be there. Yes, this one's good. Okay. Just see, beta, when I had started this NP topic, I had told you that all the problems that are NP complete, they are related to each other. Now, what was the meaning of that? रिलेशनशिप का क्या मीनिंग है? ये मीनिंग है उसका. अभी मैंने सारी नहीं यहाँ लिखी हुई प्रॉब्लम्स. यू कैन सी दैट द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हियर. आज मैंने आपको क्या शो किया है कि सर्किट सैट इज NP कंप्लीट, बट इट वाज गिवन बाय द Cook-Levin theorem. Now next one is I have to show that CNF SAT is NP complete. तो इसको show करने के लिए CNF SAT को कि NP complete है. First point is I need to show it is decision problem. Second is I will have to show it is NP problem. थर्ड है कि मुझे कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम लेनी पड़ेगी जो पहले से ही क्या हो, NP कंप्लीट हो. तो पहले से NP कंप्लीट प्रॉब्लम कौन सी है, वो है सर्किट सैट. तो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल टेक द सर्किट सैट प्रॉब्लम और उसको मैं किस में रिड्यूस कर दूंगी, CNF सैट में, पॉलिनोमियल टाइम में. तो अगर ये मैं रिड्यूस कर दूं तो आई कैन से CNF सैट इज आल्सो NP कंप्लीट. तो ऐसे हम चलेंगे. इसके बाद मैं एक प्रॉब्लम लूंगी 3 सैट. फिर अगर उसको शो करना है कि वो NP कंप्लीट है कि नहीं, फिर से वो फर्स्ट पॉइंट की वो डिसीजन प्रॉब्लम शो करना पड़ेगा, सेकंड NP करना पड़ेगा. थर्ड है फिर मुझे एक ऐसी प्रॉब्लम लेनी है जो ऑलरेडी मैं शो कर चुकी हूँ कि NP कंप्लीट हो, देन आई विल रिड्यूस दैट टू 3 सैट. तो उसके लिए अगर आपने सर्किट सैट ले सकते हो, उसको रिड्यूस कर सकते हो तो वो कर लो. अगर CNF को लेके आप 3 सैट में रिड्यूस कर सकते हो तो दैट थिंग वी कैन डू. I will take this one. I will take CNF SAT. Why? Because already I know that this is NP complete. I will reduce that to 3 SAT. तो इससे हमारा प्रूफ हो जाएगा कि what is 3 SAT? It is also NP complete problem. तो ऐसे ये ग्राफ में आपको लास्ट में बताऊंगी. There are many problems that we have to show. तो इससे आपका ये टॉपिक से पता चलेगा कि all these problems are related to each other. Related means what? अगर आपको शो करना है कि 3 सैट NP कंप्लीट है तो उससे पहले आपको शो करना पड़ेगा कि CNF सैट NP कंप्लीट है. बट इफ टू हैव टू शो दैट CNF सैट इज NP कंप्लीट, बिफोर दैट यू नीड टू शो सर्किट सैट इज NP कंप्लीट. I think now this is clear that what's the meaning of relationship and what's the meaning of reducibility. Is it clear now? Yes, beta.